Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box door and requires uninstalling the glove box. Pry off the side panel. Using a T20 Torx head, remove the screws. Remove the screws at the bottom of the glove box. There are 3 screws securing the top of the glove box. To disconnect the sensor, pull it straight back. Pull the housing down and out to remove it. Set it down gently to not stress the wires. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ11080C filters into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the bottom screws. Reinstall the corner screw. Reinstall the side panel. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.